A grateful person is one who feels or displays gratitude, which is a positive emotion such as thankfulness and appreciation. Gratitude is often expressed by words such as thank you very much, and thank you for the privilege of doing business with you. If someone has been nice to you and they do not ask for anything in return, then it may be appreciated by telling them that they did a good deed and that they should feel grateful. A grateful person is someone who has a positive attitude about gifts, blessings, and favors. They appreciate the good things that happen to them, and they're thankful for what they do have instead of focusing on what they don't have. They're generally more popular in groups because they're a great morale booster. One chooses to be a thankful person by being aware of his or her privilege and consciously thanking others for being able to have that privilege. A thankful person is one who is grateful for their life. The reason a thankful person might exist is because they have been given the opportunity to do the things that they want to do, and not be confined or oppressed by others. For example, a thankful person would be somebody who appreciates the fact that they were able to keep a job because other people may not have been as fortunate as them. The person who is thankful is generally the one that has experienced something happy in their lives. They are grateful for what they have and they know how to appreciate good things happening in their lives. It is easy to recognize when someone is thankful because they seem so cheerful and positive about life. They are typically surrounded by happiness, but they are the happiest of all. A person who is thankful would consider themselves to be grateful for what they have and perceive themselves as having a roof over their head and enough food to eat.